Hi, I'm Katrina Pike, and we're at Pickering Museum Village exploring simple machines. But in order to understand simple machines, we have to start first with understanding how objects move. Objects don't just move by themselves usually, they need some sort of force. And a force is pressure that is put on an object. That pressure can either be pushing or pulling an object, but something that will cause an object to begin to move. There's another force that isn't just muscular power. It's called gravity, and it is constantly pulling things down to the ground. So for example, the pressure of my hand, the force of pushing on this ball to hold it tight, is keeping this ball from falling to the earth. If I let go, gravity is going to pull that ball down. But muscle power, both human and animal, is another way that early settlers used simple machines to improve work for them. So let's look at some early settler toys to understand how we can affect a change of direction or force on objects. A simple stick and a ball, well, we can change the direction of a ball, and we can also push the ball to go in a direction that we want. That was force. The force I exerted was a push of the ball, or the bat, or stick, to hit the ball, to make the ball go in a direction that I wanted it to go. A simple circle and a piece of wood to hit it with was hours of enjoyment for settler children. This is a hoop and stick toy. I can keep my hoop moving by pushing on it with the stick, just like this. That's me exerting force by pushing on the wheel with a stick. How fun is that? Tug of war is a really simple game. All you needed was a good piece of rope with a knot in the center and 2 or more people to play. The object, of course, is for one side to pull the other side over the middle line. So if we think about the other side as the load, we want to exert force to change the position of that other object. So the other object being the other team, we want to pull them over the center line. How are we going to do it? The force we're going to use is pulling. We're going to pull and pull and pull on our side of the rope until we get the other side over. Don't forget about rope as we move through some other simple machines around the museum village, because it can be a really handy tool to be used with simple machines to make work easier, not just play.